Hi guys, last night I put this fella together, DIY solar robot. Took me a long time to do it, about 2 hours in total. I really struggled because the instructions, they're all there, but it's such tiny writing, especially when you come to identify individual pieces, that I made quite a few mistakes. But I was saying that it looked very familiar and I was sure I'd done one before. So I checked, and I've actually done almost identical twice before. Once about 6 years ago, and again last year, about 6 months ago, 7 months ago. That one only cost me 50p because the box was all battered, but everything was complete within it. So I actually paid £2 for that one. So anyway, what I thought I would do was use the instructions from that one, which I think are identical, and see if we can do the other two builds, because you've got the Scorpion and the tank, which is just a matter of rearranging the parts. And I might put that one together again, just so I got the robot so we can try it in the sunlight. But you can see it is the same thing, it's just they've used red and blue plastic in this one, and it was white and blue in that one. This plastic feels a bit more brittle than that one did, so, well, never mind. Let's see what we can do. Oh, one of the mistakes I made when I put this one together was I had the gears in the wrong order initially. You wouldn't think you can get them wrong, but I did. But I sorted that out. So, Scorpion. We have this fella. Looks like we take the wheels, the legs off. Oh, yeah, I had trouble getting them on. I hope they don't break. That's come off. So that bit turns around like that. Oh, looks like these arms come off as well. That bit's supposed to pull out. I can't grip it tightly enough to pull it right out. That'll have to do for now. And then we need these bits off here. I really do expect these to break. Oh. Okay. So these go that way around. Shows them both going on there. That should have gone the other way round. Okay, try and get it the right way round this time. That way round. Okay, and that one that way round. That's got to be pointing downwards instead of back. Unscrew that. I see, that folds in there like that and locks it in position, yeah. And then that one is going to go on here, this way round. Same on the other side. And like that. That one. Like that. Goes on there. Yeah, it's much easier being able to read and see the instructions. Right. So that's our solar scorpion. Let's see if we've got any sunlight to get it to run in. We might be lucky. We've just got a bit of sunshine coming through the door. You appear to be going backwards, mate. Hang on. Yeah. That's going backwards. Well, I haven't figured out why he's going more backwards than forwards. And we're losing the sunlight anyway. It is trying to go forwards. And you can change the direction it moves by adjusting the balance. That's what it's supposed to be able to do, it says on the instructions. It's like it hasn't got enough grip on the back legs to push it forwards. Now, like I said, we're losing the sunlight. There's no sun down there anymore. I've had to lift it up on top of the kitchen worktop to catch the sunlight. Well, it's working, it's just not working very well. I'll have to have a look how the old one, or previous one, went. Just very quickly, while we still got a bit of sunlight, that's the one I did last year, still in the tank format, so I thought I'd just put that in the sunlight so we can see it, because we're not going to get time to build the other one and catch the sun, or at least not today. So that's what it should look like when we finished it, when and if we finish it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.